Hey guys, welcome to another SMA unboxing video. My name's Henry and today I'm here to introduce to you our SMA CORE2 inverter. I'm going to run you through a few of the things that you'll see out of the box, but first of all, as you can see, it's already out of the box, and the reason for this is it does require a mechanical lift. So first thing you'll see is this, which is an inspection report, which gives all the electrical characteristics and the past results that are specific to this inverter. You also find 24 SunClick connectors, mounting hardware, plugs to plug off inputs that you don't use, and a couple of other tools to help you open the inverter up. You'll also find the mounting hardware. One of the other things that I need to mention is you do have these handles which are removable after you install the device. A little bit about this device, it's 110 kilowatt. It can go up to 165 kilowatts DC, and the inverter is our largest inverter in the SMA commercial range. Now that we've got the inverter on its back, let me explain to you some of the features from underneath the inverter. So as you can see, there are 12 MPPTs and 24 inputs. We also have 4 lockable DC isolator switches. If you have a look on the far end, there is an AC plate with 2 glands, one big gland and one small gland. For certain cases where you require 4 glands, we can provide you with that through the service team. Some of the features that this inverter comes with is AFCI, which is arc fault interruption, and OptiCool, which allows the inverter to run at its most optimum temperature, and it is a variable fan. The other features that this inverter comes with is Smart Connected. If it is connected to a network, we are able to see this remotely and identify if there is an issue with the inverter, which means you've got an extra set of eyes looking over the system. For more information, feel free to reach out to your local BDM or myself, and make sure you contact us or your local distributor for any information around stock. We also have the Solar Academy who can help you design your next system. So anything that you require, feel free to reach out. For more information, be sure to follow us on our social media channels. Thanks.